First, after downloading V5SI AI Extension from Gumroad, you'll receive a zip file. Simply extract the file, then open the extracted folder. You'll see an install file. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. The installer will automatically install everything you need. Just wait until the installation is complete. Once it's finished, open Adobe Photoshop. From the top menu, go to Window, then Extensions, and select V5SI AI Extension. The extension panel will appear. Now, enter your name and email address to create your account. Next, you'll be asked how you'd like to use V5SI AI. If you're new, we recommend choosing the credit plan. You'll instantly receive 15 free credits to try the extension, and after upgrading your credits, you'll unlock all of V5SI AI Extension's advanced features. If you already have a Google Gemini API, you can choose Use Your Own API Key instead. In that case, you'll need to create a Gemini API key, add your billing information to your Google account, and Google will charge you directly based on your API usage. Keep in mind that Google may limit the number of image generations you can make each day, depending on your API quota. Also, some advanced features in V5SI AI Extension are only available with the credit plan. That's it. You're now ready to start creating with V5SI AI Extension. We hope you enjoy using it, and don't forget to explore more AI solutions for architectural visualization at ccsolution.vn.